Hey guys, get comfortable because you're in Rachel's Fun Corner. My softball uniform because I'm going to softball next, so if I'm going a little fast, that is because I have a softball game to get to. Anyway, right now I have a squishy package to open, so let's just get right on to this video. So this package is from Jenna Lynn. I'm super excited. This is only one item because I ordered the other items from a different website, so let's just open it. So I'm not going to look at it, but just open it right up. So my first and only thing I pull out is, oh my gosh, my Cutie Creative Deep Sea Squid. So it says Deep Sea Cuties Collection, and it says,
do not eat. This is not food. This is not suitable for children under 7 years old without supervision. Do not give to pets. This is not a toy. Cutie Creative quality product, as it says on the back, and then it says,
it has some squids, it says Deep Sea Cuties, and some, it's like the bottom of the ocean on the bottom with seaweed and stuff. So let's just give it a squish. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I've never had a squishy this good. Alright, let's just open it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, the shading is so good. Goes from dark blue to light blue to really, really, really pretty pearlescent pink. It is so soft and airy. I'm trying to find the licensing right now. I don't actually see it, but it is licensed by Cutie Creative. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but whoa, look at the pearlescent in the bottom. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna squish it. What? That was amazing. This is definitely my new favorite squishy. I'm so excited about this. Instant replay of that. That was amazing. It doesn't really smell, to be honest with you, it smells like new shoes. It's already getting a little bit defected right here, but not really. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness. This is so amazing. It's so soft and so squishy, so squishy. The good thing is it's very slow rising, but it rises in time for you to just squish it again. So that is really good. Oh, I just love it. Every time I squish it, it blows up in a different place. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. The face is really cute. It has eyelashes, and then like pink stripes under its eyes, and then just a nose. Very, very, very kawaii eyes. I love it. So this is definitely my new favorite squishy in my whole collection. Okay, so the extras I received was, ooh, this postcard. Oh my gosh, I received this as an extra. I received this cherry airhead, and then all the little stickers at the bottom. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So yeah, oh my gosh, so soft. And I did just realize it has like a shooting star at the top. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this short but really, really, really amazing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that big red subscribe button for the sky. Bye guys!